Good morning, children. Welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT ma'am. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, children, in our last class, we have discussed about certain features of Windows 10 operating system, and I hope every topics are clear to you, right? Yes. Yes, children, today we are going to discuss more about the utilities of Windows 10 operating system. So, utility means, yes, of course, the utility softwares or programs which are mainly designed for maintaining, managing, and controlling the computer resources. For example, disk tools, antivirus programs, Windows Media Player, etc. So today we are going to discuss more about the Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player and their working. Windows Media Player. It is a software which is mainly used to run and organizes the digital media files in your PC. PC means personal computer. So here we are going to learn how can we rip. Rip means copy CD to our computer, which means ripping CD to your computer means copying songs, pictures, or videos from our CD or DVD to our PC. Okay, so that's with the help of Windows Media Player. So let's see. So in order to open the Windows Media Player application, first we have to click on the Start button. Okay, so after that click on Window Accessories and choose the Windows Media Player just like this. Okay, then insert an audio CD in the CD drive. So when you insert an CD, you can see the list of songs like this. Okay, which is stored on your CD. And there you can see checkbox next to each songs. So you have to uncheck the checkbox of songs that you do not want to rip. Okay, then after selecting all the things like all the songs that you want to rip or copy, click on the rip CD button. Here you can see the rip CD button. Okay, so after that the process of ripping will start, and you can see also that rip status of different songs. And at any point that if you want to stop that process, that copying process or ripping process, you can click on the stop rip button. Here you can see that, so you can click on there. After that, here you can see the rip settings button. No, yes, click on it. For what? If you want to change the format or audio quality of your music files. Okay, for that you can click on the rip settings button. After that, you can see the songs are ripped to the music folder, which is contained in this PC folder. Okay, so actually what we are doing here, we are copying the music or audio files from our CD to this PC or to your PC. So when we are doing this, the songs which are ripped to the music folder in your PC. Okay, children? And you can see the ripped songs in your music folder, and you can even play them. Okay, this is how you can see the music files in your system. Okay, and next is how can we burn a CD. So burn means, yes, copying data from our PC to CD or DVD. Okay, so that's the exact opposite process of ripping. So copying from our computer or PC to CD. For that, what we have to do first, we have to insert a blank CD in the CD drive of our computer, so that you can see a burn a disk dialog box like this appears. So here you can see that. So there you have to mention the CD name in that disk title box. Here you can see the disk title box. There you should mention the CD name and select the option with a CD or DVD player. Here I have selected it, so you can see, and after that click on the next button. So when you click on next button, what will happen? An empty disk folder like this will open. So there you can drag the files that you want to burn into this folder. Okay, so drag the files, that can be music files or video files. You can drag those files into this folder. So what we are doing here, we are copying the data from our computer to CD or DVD. So we can drag the files that we want to burn into this folder. After that, under the manage term tab, you can see the finish burning option. So click on it. After dragging the files, click on finish burning option. So when you click on finish burning option, again a burn to disk dialog box appears. So there too we will click on the next button. So when you click on the next button, Windows Media Player will open. Okay, just like this. So there you can see the start burn button. Under the burn tab, here you can see the start burn button. So click on it, and when you click on it, the songs will get burned to the CD or disk. Okay, so burning means copying. So copying from our PC to the disk. Okay, so that's how we copy data to CD or burn a CD. Okay, children. And next is how to play a movie using the VLC media player. So VLC media player is also an software which is used to play all types of audio and video files. Okay, so how can we play music using VLC? Yes, we have to follow some steps. So let's see. So first we have to click on the start button, then all apps. From all apps select video LAN, and from video LAN select VLC media player here. Okay, so when you click on it, you can see a VLC media player window just like this, which displays various commands at the top. Here you can see media tab, audio, video, playback, etc. So from there select the media tab and click on open file. Here you can see the option open file. Please click on it. So when you click on it, a dialog box appears. Which dialog box? Yes, select one or more files to open dialog box appears. Okay, so from there you can select the audio or video file that you want to play. Okay, so here you can see files. From there click on this file that you want to play, and after that click on open button. Here you can see the open button. Please click on it. Okay, then with VLC player we can also create a playlist of files or music files or video files. Okay, so how can we do? Here you can see the view option. So click on it and select the playlist option, so that here you can see the playlist dialog box appears, and there click on the add to playlist button followed by add file option. Okay, so when you click on the add file option, the open dialog box, okay, here you can see, so that dialog box appears. So there you can browse the files that you want to include or add to your playlist, and after that click on the enqueue option. Okay, so that's how we add the music files or the desired files to the playlist. And after arranging the list, you can close the playlist dialog box and click on play button, so that the added files will start to play. Okay, so that's how we add files to the playlist using VLC media player. So yes children, today we have learned how to rip a CD, burn a CD, and how to play a movie using VLC media player. Okay, so read your textbook and try to practice doing these things on your PC. So that's all for today. Let's see in the another class. Till then, take care. Bye.